Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free green bean seeds and grow a garden 2 at Roblox. Okay, finally guys, Grow a Garden 2 has been released in Roblox and you can get free seeds guys by redeeming a code, and this is the seed that you will get, the green bean seeds. By redeeming a code, you will get 3 green bean seeds, and I'm going to show you the code. To redeem a code, you need to go to the setting menu right here, and then you're going to enter this code: team green bean, like this, and you're going to claim it. But I've already redeemed this code, and after you redeem this code, you will get green bean seed. I've already redeemed it and also planted the seed in my garden. And as you can see, this is the seed. This is the plant, and it's a very big plant, guys. If you go to the seed shop, you can buy the green bean right here, but it's quite expensive. So yeah, just redeem it to get it for free. Okay guys, and that's how you can get free green bean seeds and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.